It is our honor to introduce our enterprise, KUNGFU Stone. Since establishing roots in 2011 in Xiamen, Fujian, we have evolved into an integrated corporation specializing in artificial quartz slabs, natural stone production, and international trade. After 12 years of dedicated craftsmanship, we now operate an intelligent manufacturing base spanning 27,000 square meters in Zhongshuang, Shandong, maintain a premium production line in Fujian, Shutou, and coordinate with our Xiamen Import and Export Company, forming a tri-city synergistic industrial layout. Our core competitiveness lies in our end-to-end quality control system. From material sourcing, we rigorously select 99.6% high-purity quartz sand from Guangdong, combined with imported ashland resin and domestic brand resins. Utilizing 5 fully automated slab pressing lines and 9 infrared cutting units, we achieve daily precision processing of 3,000 square meters. Notably, each slab features a laser-etched unique traceability code, implementing a life-cycle tracking system from production through installation that enables permanent quality accountability. Our quality commitment features triple safeguards. 1. Products certified by SGS, CE, RoHS, and multiple international standards. 2. Industry-leading triple inspection protocol before delivery. 3. Pioneering 60-day quality guarantee with double compensations, free replacement plus equivalent payment for quality issues detected within 60 days of receipt. Currently maintaining stable monthly exports of quartz slabs and countertops to more than 20 countries across 4 continents, we take particular pride in strategic partnerships exceeding a decade with renowned quartz brands. This long-term commitment manifests in our pricing strategy that prioritizes clients' inventory turnover rates and profit margins over short-term profit maximization. Our service network features a 7-day responsive after-sales team comprising sales, providing stable and competitive support to stone wholesalers, distributors, and importers is our enduring commitment. Our pursuit is to support and cooperate together, providing more support for our partner companies